Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to cancel iQIYI subscription. So if you want to cancel the iQIYI subscription, you'll not be able to do it via the application itself. For that, what you have to do is go to the platform from where you purchased the subscription. In order to do that, open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So simply scroll down. What you have to do is find this option for payments and subscriptions and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the payments and subscriptions interface. You'll be able to find various options like payment methods, purchase verification, subscriptions, etc. Tap on this option subscriptions that you can see on the screen. So if you've subscribed to iQIYI VIP plan, it will be displayed over here. What you have to do is simply find it and tap on it. Right now I do not have any such subscriptions, but I'll tell you what to do. You'll be able to find the option for cancel. What you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, follow through the prompts in order to cancel the subscriptions and your subscription will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel iQIYI subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.